Hello everybody, Ethan Poltrack here. I'm here doing a second update review on the new social site we've been seeing on the web, IBO Social and IBO Toolbox and stuff. So we'll jump back over here to my account. I'm inside my IBO account, and just so you know, this platform, it's all 100% free. There's no upgrades or anything like that. I must have accidentally pushed something. The real power lies in IBO is how they get listed in Google's organic search. They follow their terms very closely. Them and Google have a close relationship. And here's some current recent press releases that I've done towards my business. Okay, and we'll start up here at some of the most recent. Okay, this one was published today. In fact, it's you see. Let's see, if we went back to Google in current time. Alright, we're 2:30 p.m. February 20th. 2014. I live close to Kingston. That's a city about an hour away from here. So there we have. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and actually I'm gonna do this one first. This is yesterday's. Understanding traffic and why traffic is so important. Okay, if you understand about ranking for this kind of topic and keywords, it's kind of tough, you know. But with IBO here and the power of them, you know, look at this. Out of 221 million results, okay, for a broad basis. Okay, if we want to bring it down to an exact phrase, that's 7 results, but we're sitting here on top, and even for the broads. So I mean, you who's watching this video right now can go ahead and you can type understanding traffic and why traffic is so important, and you will see my IBO Social press release sitting here in the first position. Okay, now my keyword phrase, I'm not going for particular keyword phrases for these press releases as per se, but you can you got the idea of just the power of how fast it is. Okay, let's go back to Google here. Okay, let's take this. I don't know. I really don't. Whoops. I put it in the wrong spot. Okay, so I'm not there yet, but how about magic article rewriter in writing articles? Let's see. Oh, here we are. What do we got? 86,000. We're on the first page. Here's some paid ads here. Okay, we're not above the fold. Of course, I shrink. I can change it. I adjust the size of my screen constantly, you know. So I guess it depends on where your page is at. But you see down here, you scroll down a little bit. Here I am 3 days ago, just showing you the power of IBO Social. So, hey, below this video, there'll be a link to IBO Social, and I'd appreciate it if you go ahead and sign up. Click the link below in the video and sign up through me. Reason being is the people that I refer to part of IBO Social is, you see over here, these credits. Okay, these credits goes towards advertising, and this is 100% free. Okay, that you can do. Okay, and this is very good traffic. Okay, and you can convert these credits that you can get into impressions for your ads. So by you signing up to my referral link, IBO will give me 200 credits, and they'll give you 200 credits as well. So that's a benefit. So go ahead and sign up through my link and get your 200 startup bonus credits. Thank you for watching. Okay, and I look forward to seeing some of your posts out there. All right, everybody, fantastic. Bye for now.